Alright, hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Rater, coming at you with yet another instant noodle recipe time. This is the show where I impart the knowledge that I've gained throughout the years of reviewing instant noodles, 3,000 plus of them at this point. And without further ado, I've got one from Mom's Dry Noodle of Taiwan. Check that out. It's what are you? You're mushroom or shiitake zhajiang. Zhajiang? Yeah. And look, they got my logo on it. So that means quality. Although I haven't tried this one, but they just won for the second year in a row the top 10 Taiwanese instant noodles of all time 2018 edition, as well as the 2017 edition, and they've been in the Taiwan top 10s for a while. But yeah, so they make these things called dry noodles, and they're really good. And here are what dry noodles look like before they are cooked. And I better get on cooking them, because they are not as instant as others. So that's an important thing to consider, is the length of this program. But I got everything else all prepped, so we're good to go. So take the noodle block out. You get 4 packs in the thing. You don't generally get these individual. But yeah, check that out. Cool, huh? I'm gonna drop it in there. It says 6 to 7 minutes, so I just clicked start on 6.5. Comes in a little plastic tray. Here's the seasoning paste. Comes in a little plastic tray with this little piece of cardboard, which you could do many things with. I mean, that's like, it's kind of a bonus. You could write a note on it, I'm guessing, if you chose to. So yeah, Taiwanese dry noodle in my pot that's already trying to boil over. Look at that. Look at me. So yeah, so what's been going on? Well, actually, I keep feeling like I haven't done one of these in a long time. I did 2 of these videos yesterday, so it really hasn't been all that long. But the dark, shadowy night of being sick is starting to lift. My 2 little chillins, they're a lot more crazed today, more of their normal craziness. Still really got my wife pretty bad, so hopefully she'll feel better with another night of sleep, some good rest, get feeling better. But yeah, me, it was kind of like I was like totally congested, and now it's all like starting to break up, so it's like hacking and hacking. So, yeah. So one thing when you get a sachet like this, need it. I think I mentioned this in a episode pretty recently. You need the sachet. Also, like, I drop these things right, not so close, it's touching the burner obviously, but kind of within about a couple inches of the burner, just so it's sitting on the stove and it gets kind of warmed up, and that makes it easier. It like loosens up, and then you can pour it all in one shot rather than have to, work at it. But yeah. So yeah, Taiwan. Man, Taiwan's rad. It's a trippy place. Miles is having Lego difficulties, I hear. Don't worry, he is supervised. And noodles are stirring and stirring. Looking good. So what else? Oh, here's a helpful hint. Need to do up, you want to learn how to do really, really nice thin cucumber. Look at that. How would somebody do that? Look at this. Nice thin carrot. I figured this out just by going, I need to make thin things. Boom, potato peeler. This thing actually, I use this making yakisoba all the time. And what's handy about it, so you go to the store, you get a carrot, right? And you want to put some in yakisoba or something else. You peel the skin off of it, and then yeah. So it works really well. I'm pretty happy with the results that I've achieved with a peeler in the kitchen. So, but yeah, it's just been a pretty tough ride for all of us with this cold. But it'll be behind us shortly, and then we'll be going on to bigger, better things. Miles is going to start going to school. What he's got today? Oh my God, 12 days. That's insanity. That's like absolutely freaky. Because it's like, wow. It's nice getting a new schedule going on though. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully I'll at least get a little bit more time when Miri takes a nap in the daytime. But yeah, should be a good go. I'm really stoked on it. And he's got 2 years of preschool and then he goes into kindergarten, so wow. I'm gonna miss him. It's only 10 hours a week, 2.5 hours a day except for Wednesdays. So yeah, still gonna miss him though. It's gonna be weird. It's weird because it's like, it's school, you know, but it's like you're entrusting people you kind of know with your kid, and we've never had like a babysitter that we've not known, like, you know, family, that's it, you know. So anyways, yeah, we're all worried about that, but it'll be fine. And we have 21 seconds left. Came out with the top 10 Taiwanese video recently. You should go check it out. It's a big deal. A lot of work. I crammed that thing. I got it recorded and pushed it out and posted it within less than 24 hours. So it's done. All right. Let's see what we got here. First, we have to drain. And it's draining time here at the Ramen Rater. So yeah, you drain off the noodles. You drain off the noodles and then you add in this stuff. Ooh. That was sitting rather close. Well, it was sitting there for like 6 minutes. So. Alright. These guys make their own stuff too. Their own pastes and thing. When I went and visited them, they what were they making? Oh, they were making like shallot oil, like, and it was a hot day, and they were all these two guys stirring it, big huge cauldron. It's like, man, that must just like get into your clothes and really strong. So yeah, like I said, this is a shiitake zhajiang and zhajiang. Well, I'm not super keen on mushrooms, and my least favorite mushroom is shiitake, I think. I don't know. But, you know, these guys make some pretty tasty stuff, so we shall see how it goes. I think I see the... Yeah, I see a lot of flecks of what looked like maybe mushroom in there. I guess we'll see. Alright, you ready for this? This is pretty cool. Here's this bowl. Make sure you can see everything. Alright. Alright, here we go. Actually, I have to taste it first. Probably a good idea, since that's kind of my thing. Alright, we'll give them a taste. A tasty taste. Here's how it looks. Alright, cheers. I'm getting like the faintest. Wow. So the noodles are really good, nice and soft. I'm pretty sure it was 6 to 7 minutes. Hopefully it wasn't 6 to 7 cups. That's always a possibility. But I think it was 6 to 7 minutes. And the noodles are great. The flavor is... I was expecting like mushroom, but it's not like killing me. I'm not getting like mushroom to death, which I really thank you for not mushrooming me to death. I like that. I mean, it's kind of sweet. There's like a little tint of spicy in there. There's some herbs and spice. Yeah, I like that. That's good. I will definitely say that's good stuff. Here, come on. Okay. Now they said bean sprouts, cucumber, and carrot. So that is what I'm going to do. So here's some bean sprouts. Some carrot. And some stuff's hard to handle. You know, where'd those scissors go? Yeah, I'm not too completely convinced that I like this long way of it. I think I want them thinner. Ugh. Probably like, really? Does it matter? I'm like, yes, it matters. Matters to me. Alright, let's see how that goes. Like that. And you can get back over there a little bit. And yeah, I think I'm happy with that. Maybe a little bit more or something. Maybe another. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, let's give that a nice look. Yeah, what do you think of that? I'd eat that. Yeah. So yeah, shiitake zhajiang. The video will come out. I'm like still like 70 some reviews ahead. But yeah, the video will come out, or not the video, the post. So yeah. Alright, well hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. If you like this video, perhaps you might like one of these. So check them out, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you know what's good for you. And yeah, alright. Have a good one. And bye.